In this video, we will discuss bundled contributions for federal campaigns, or how to track and assign the source of a contribution for other campaigns. First thing that we will do is we will add a new registrant lobbyist or person that we want to track to the list. So in this case, I'm going to look for the last name Lowe. I'm going to add Alexander Lowe as a registrant lobbyist. The way that I do that is I click on General, go to the Work tab, and click on Lobbyist. When I hit Save and Close, that person will get added as a registrant lobbyist. The next thing that we would do is we would add a contribution and assign that registrant lobbyist to that contribution. So in this case, I will search for Delta Dental, and the contribution came in from Delta Dental, so we'll click on the financial page and we will add a new contribution, and that contribution will be, let's say $251, and we'll assign that to the General 2012 here. Then we will mark this person as a bundler, that this contribution came in via a bundle, and so we have Alexander Lowe in our bundler list, and so we'll choose that. It's August 2nd is the date. I hit Save and Close. The next step is to search or do a report on the lobbyists or bundlers. If this is a federal election, this will automatically put that person as an F3L on your for your reporting. If you want to do a report internally, or just to see and track the assignment of the source of the contributions, you come to the contribution link. You will put in your date range. In this case, I might do July 1st, 2011 here. When I hit search, I have 10 contributions in the database. Now if I wanted to search by a specific bundler like Alexander Lowe, we hit search and I can see the one contribution, $251, or I can ignore that and pull up again all 10 contributions. I can add to my format, I can add the bundler using the format button and search down here. Here I'm going to add, we have a special field called first last name, so it's the first and last name fields combined. When I click OK, we can see the first last name of all of our bundlers if there is one. So here's Alexander Lowe again. So I can see who has done this. I can export that to a CSV document if I have export privileges, or I can create my own internal summary report if I'd like. So in this case, I'm going to choose the first last name field here. I'm going to show a count of occurrences and the amount. When I click OK, you'll see that I have, with no bundlers, I have 4 contributions totaling $1,300. Alexander Lowe, I have 1 contribution for $251. Andy Lowe, I have 1 for $150. Bernadette Lowe, I have 2 for $625. Joy Albee, I have 1 at $999. Ruth LeMay, 1 for $0. So that is how you would use the bundled contributions in the case of a federal campaign, or in a other campaign you can track or assign the source of contributions. For example, if you have fundraisers or people committed to raising money for you, this is how you can get them a report of how well they are doing in their fundraising.